Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize real estate photography with Snappr step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your real estate photography with Snappr, first, sign up for a Snappr account. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Next, select the type of photography service you need. Choose real estate photography from the available options. Once selected, browse through the photographers listed for your area. Review their portfolios to find a style that matches your vision. After spotting a suitable photographer, check their availability. Once you confirm availability, schedule your shoot by selecting a date and time. Consider preparing your property for the shoot beforehand. Clear any clutter and ensure all rooms are well lit. Then, decide on any specific angles or features to highlight. Communicate these details with the photographer prior to the shoot. On the day of the shoot, ensure the property is clean and presentable. Follow your photographer around to give any necessary input. After the shoot is complete, wait for the edited images to be delivered. Review the images provided by Snappr carefully. If any adjustments are needed, communicate them promptly. Once you're satisfied with the final images, download them from your Snappr account. Finally, use these optimized photographs in your listings to attract potential buyers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.